Vitamin C. As we all know, vitamin C is great for the immune system and fighting infections. As we get older, we may be more interested to know that vitamin C makes collagen, great for our skin, bones and joints. Vitamin C is also a really good antioxidant which detoxifies pollutants, protects against heart disease and cancer. Vitamin C also helps make anti-stress hormones. Am I deficient? Deficiency signs of vitamin C are colds, infection and lack of energy. Sore gums, bruising, nosebleeds and wounds that heal very slowly are also signs that you may be deficient in vitamin C. You can find vitamin C in the following foods. Why not screenshot this and take it to the supermarket with you? Peppers, cabbage, broccoli, cauliflower, peas, kiwi, oranges, grapefruit, watercress, limes, tomatoes and melons. Supplements to look out for vitamin C are calcium ascorbate and magnesium ascorbate. I'm Cheryl, thank you for listening. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already and take care. Thank you.